Hi, today I'm showing you how to use the VLOOKUP formula. So first, here we have the table. So we have serial number and the name of the fruits. So here we will input the serial number and the fruit name will generate by the VLOOKUP formula. So for example, we just put the number 2 and then we are going to use the VLOOKUP formula. So first, just start the formula by equal to, and then you need to write the formula name. So we can see right the VLOOKUP, and then first we need to input the lookup value. So lookup value here is number 2 here. So just select the cell, then use the comma. Next, we need to select the table array of data. So we are here's a table array, start from A2 and end at B6. Next, put the comma and then column index number. So where we are where we bring the result. So we are bring from the column B, which is the column number 2. So just put the 2 here, next comma, then we are range lookup. Range lookup means is it exact match or approximate match. So for false, that is for exact match, and if we put true, that is for approximate match. Alternatively, we can use 0 for false, which is exact match, or we can use 1 for true, which is approximate match. So we are just going to use exact match, so just put the 0. Alternatively, we can put false as well, then enter. Then we can see banana is appearing here for number 2. So if we change the serial number here for 4, then we can see orange, which is here. I hope you can understand now. If you have any question, just put your comments in the comment section. Thanks.